Does a trust make a will void? No, but it overrides the instructions that you have for assets on that will that you're putting inside of your trust. And so let's say you have a house listed on your will, and then you decide to set up a revocable trust and put the ownership of that house inside the revocable trust. That will, the instructions for how to handle that property is no longer valid because the will only pertains to assets that you own in your personal name, and now you have transferred ownership of that property into the trust. Therefore, the will is no longer valid for the instructions on that property. And so the will is still going to be valid for any assets that you forget to put inside of your trust or you decide not to. So as an example, if you forget to put a designated beneficiary on a retirement account or your life insurance, that money will dump into your estate during the probate process and will be distributed per that will that you have set up already. Any assets that are inside of your revocable trust will avoid the probate process and be distributed per that trust document, even if you already have instructions on that will pertaining to those same assets, because you no longer own those assets, so the will is invalid for those particular assets. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some of our team.